Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is February 27, 2017. My name's Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, looking at this market, we have the S&P 500 E-mini futures trading down about 1.5 to 23.63 3/4. So all in all, the futures are down a little bit ahead of the open. You can see they started to sell off right around 3 o'clock in the morning, but it hasn't been that big of a decline. So all in all, the markets are going to basically open flat today, and we'll see how they perform. Today is a Monday. You have a lot less volume generally on Mondays. Also, we have a big address by President Trump tomorrow, so markets could be waiting to hear on that. But either way, let's take a look at some stocks in the news today. We're going to start off with Berkshire Hathaway, and we're going to use the B shares, BRK.B. And what you're going to see is Berkshire Hathaway right now trading at 170.52. Stock closed at 170.22. This could be a mover today. Looks like Warren Buffett is on CNBC. We'll see what his comments are, and we'll see how he plays out. He has commented already on Apple. So again, he said he's taking a big position in Apple, and that stock right now is trading at 137.01, which is a new all-time high, I believe. All right, let's take a look at some other stocks in the news. Tesla being downgraded by Goldman Sachs. Stock right now is trading at 248.75. Looks like it closed at 257 on Friday. So this is a pretty good haircut for Tesla. Stock down pretty sharply this morning. Again, if it gets to around the 230 level, look for support on Tesla. But that is being downgraded today by Goldman Sachs. Next up, we want to take a look at GOGO. Anybody that's ever been in an airplane, I think this is what powers your internet. Stock trading at $10.11, closed at $9.12. So GOGO trading a little bit higher here ahead of the opening bell. We'll see how it plays out. I'll try to find some levels. Actually see them already, but they're a little bit higher. So we'll look at this one once the opening bell rings. Next one we want to take a look at is PTEN, which is good old Patterson UTI Energy. Stock right now is trading at 27.06, closed at 26.69. I believe this was added to the Merrill Lynch buy list. So again, little uptick there. I don't know if we can make too much out of that, but either way, getting a little bit of a bid today. The weekly chart on this looks actually pretty solid, so this is still a good-looking chart if you ask me. Let's take a look at SSTK, which is good old Shutterstock. This is now a lighter volume name. Generally, on a good day, this stock trades basically around 200, 300,000 shares. On Friday, it did trade 1 million. Today, it is selling off, though. So the stock closed at $51.63, now trading at $46. Be careful with this name, but I did come up with a level around 42.50. So again, you got to be careful because this thing can overshoot. Any stock that doesn't trade 1 million shares a day is susceptible to overshooting levels, but I did come up with a level around 42.50, so again, a little higher risk play. Let's take a look at Jolla Pharmaceutical. LJPC, I believe, is the ticker symbol here. And what you'll see is stock is trading at $27.90, closed at $19.87. So this is a huge pop. If you own it, trail the stop loss. If you don't own it, I'd leave it alone, but this is a positive drug result. So again, La Jolla with a huge move this morning. And again, if you own it, just trail the stop loss. If you don't own it, it's very difficult to chase it here. I would not do so, and we'll see how that plays out. Next up, we want to shift gears here a little bit, and we're going to move over to the gold market. And what you're going to see here is gold futures trading down about 70 cents to $1,257.70 an ounce. Gold continues to remain very strong, holding up pretty well. We do have the U.S. dollar pulling back a little bit today. So the dollar down, that usually gives gold a boost, but gold has still not traveled into positive territory as of yet. So we'll keep an eye on that. But what is trading positive is crude oil. Crude oil now up by 48 cents on the session. Right now, spot crude trading at $54.48 a barrel. Let's go over to the USO, which is a good oil ETF. And you're going to see this is trading at $11.55. Closed at $11.46. So good little uptick there for crude oil this morning. Crude oil has been really in a sideways choppy range, but it's in a range and it's held up very, very well over the last couple months. So traders should respect that, and we'll see what it gives us today. So a little bit of a quieter Monday, but again, If you want to trade alongside of us, come on over, start the week out right. Take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. We had a great week last week. We're going to look to keep that going this week. Trump is speaking tomorrow night. We're going to get lots of volatility, and we should get some pretty solid trade action this week. So, again, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room, and you'll see what it's all about there. You get to watch our desktops live, and you'll see how we trade. With that being said, everybody, I'm going to leave it here short and sweet. I want to wish you all a great trading day, and we will see you on the charts.